Welcome to our channel. If you need to temporarily pause your Planet Fitness membership, follow these step-by-step instructions to freeze your account. Step 1. Understand Planet Fitness's freeze policy. Most locations allow you to freeze your membership for a minimum period, typically 1 to 3 months, for a small monthly fee. Step 2. Visit your home Planet Fitness location in person. While some clubs may allow online or phone requests, most require you to freeze your membership at the front desk. Step 3. Bring a valid photo ID to verify your identity and membership. This is required for all membership changes. Step 4. Speak with a staff member at the front desk and request to freeze your membership. Explain the reason for the freeze if asked, such as travel, medical issues, or personal circumstances. Step 5. Fill out the membership freeze form provided by the staff. This form will include your information, the freeze start date, and the expected duration of the freeze. Step 6. Review the freeze terms, including any freeze fees that may apply. Some circumstances, like medical reasons with documentation, may qualify for fee waivers. Step 7. Provide any required documentation if you're requesting a medical freeze or other special circumstance that might waive the freeze fee. Step 8. Submit the completed form to the staff member. They will process your request and provide you with a confirmation. Step 9. Receive confirmation of your freeze request, either via email or a printed receipt. Keep this for your records in case of any billing questions. Step 10. Note the date when your freeze period ends and your membership will automatically reactivate. If you need to extend the freeze, you'll need to submit another request before the current freeze expires. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.